Gouda, a charming Dutch city with a rich history and a name synonymous with its famous cheese, is a hidden gem that offers a wealth of activities and experiences for travelers to discover. Nestled in the province of South Holland, Gouda exudes a quaint and authentic ambience, where cobblestone streets, historic architecture, and a warm community spirit come together to create a captivating destination. The city's iconic Stadhuis, or City Hall, stands as a testament to Gouda's historical significance and architectural beauty. Its Gothic Renaissance facade is a masterpiece of intricate carvings and delicate details. The Gouda Cheese Market, held from April to August, is a celebration of the city's cheesemaking heritage, allowing visitors to witness the traditional cheese-weighing rituals and savor the flavors of the renowned Gouda cheese. Gouda's historic center is a haven for exploration, with its narrow streets and picturesque canals evoking a sense of timelessness. The Sint-Janskerk, a stunning Gothic church, is famous for its exquisite stained glass windows that depict biblical stories and local history. The market square, surrounded by historic buildings and lively cafes, serves as a vibrant gathering place and the backdrop for various festivals and events. Cultural experiences abound in Gouda, with museums like the Museum Gouda offering insights into the city's history, art, and craftsmanship. The Museum Haven Gouda, a harbor where historic ships are preserved, provides a unique glimpse into Gouda's maritime heritage. The Gouda ceramics, known as Gouds Platiel, are cherished art pieces that reflect the city's artistic tradition. Gouda's friendly atmosphere is evident in its welcoming locals, who take pride in sharing their city's treasures with visitors. The city's culinary scene extends beyond its famous cheese, offering a variety of traditional Dutch dishes and international flavors in its charming restaurants and eateries. The charming Gouds Waag, a historic whey house, is home to a delightful cheese and crafts museum, showcasing the intricate process of cheesemaking. Beyond the city's boundaries, the lush countryside and nearby Rieuwigsplassen, a series of lakes and wetlands, provide opportunities for outdoor activities like cycling, boating, and birdwatching. Gouda's strategic location also allows for easy day trips to other Dutch cities like Rotterdam, The Hague, and Utrecht. Gouda offers an authentic Dutch experience that captures the essence of a rich cultural heritage and a warm community spirit. Whether you're exploring its historic sites, savoring its culinary delights, immersing yourself in local traditions, or simply strolling along its picturesque canals, Gouda invites travelers to connect with its timeless charm and leave with cherished memories of this hidden treasure in the heart of the Netherlands.